I will apologize for hurting her feelings, but I think she misunderstood what I said yesterday. What I said, if the theory is that we never were under the jurisdiction of the ICC, it goes without saying, as logic, then any appointment to the International Court would be void, if that is the theory. Now, you ask, why was she appointed? Because the theory then was we were under the jurisdiction of the ICC. Then you ask me, why is Justice Pangalanan still there? I don't know. The ICC may have allowed him to stay. But if the theory is we never were under the jurisdiction of the ICC, then the logic will tell you that anything in connection with that will be void, any appointment to the body.
So in short, sir, you will not apologize and you will not
That's
take
why
back your
I'm
statement.
apologizing for hurting her, but I think the concern and the hurt is misplaced.
Thank you,
I am an admirer and a friend of the late Miriam Defensor Sanjar.
Okay, Ace.
Pero, di ba, Sec, ang stand ng Palas is the Philippines was never
Correct.
under the jurisdiction of the ICC. So, given that, categorical, void po ba yung appointment ni Miriam?
That would be the logical consequence of the theory.
So, it's yes.
Ano po bang magiging result nun? Kung walang jurisdiction from the very start.
So,
Di ba?
apparently, hindi niya na-misunderstand yung iyong statement kasi yun naman ang kinagagalit nung kapatid nung late
Kaya nga,
senator.
that's why we're saying na she misunderstood. But, let me say that she was very much qualified to be a justice. She had the credentials. But the problem is, prior to the assumption of the presidency of the president, nobody knew that we were never under the jurisdiction of the ICC. Everybody took for granted that since we signed a treaty, then we were under the jurisdiction of the ICC. But the problem is the Constitution requires that a law, before it becomes enforceable, it has to be published in an official gazette, in a newspaper of general circulation. And the Rome Statute never was published in a newspaper of general circulation nor published in the official gazette. Okay. That is why the theory of the president, we were never under your jurisdiction.
So there's a claim that your statements were offensive and disrespectful. Do you agree?
It's not offensive. I think it was misunderstood.
Misunderstood.
Yeah.
Hindi rin disrespectful sa the late senator.
I do not think so. But I apologize because she was hurt, because she misunderstood mine.
But you stick to that view.
Yes, because that is the logical
Okay.
consequence of a theory
Okay.
that we had never been under the jurisdiction of the ICC.